This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use PUDO's courier service here in South Africa. First things first, you have to go to the PUDO website at www.pudo.co.za and click on where to find us. Here you can search for your nearest locker by location, and once you've done this, you can register your account by clicking on register and filling in all these details. To be able to book your first shipment, you'll need to upload funds, which you can do when you go to the personal details tab and scroll down to your purse. You can upload as little as 50 or 60 Rand if you plan to just book one shipment. But here is the price list, and as you can see, price is dependent on the size of the package you are sending. Once you've uploaded your funds, you can now book your first shipment. Click on new order. Here you'll see that there's three options: locker to door, locker to locker, and door to locker. Locker to locker is your cheapest option, but I always opt for locker to door as I want the packages to be delivered to my customer's door. So for this example, I'm going to click on locker to door. The first thing I have to do is select my drop-off point, which is the locker closest to me. After that, I need to fill in the sender's details, which is me in this case. Then you'll need to fill in the destination as well as the recipient's details, and then you can confirm your booking. You'll also need to write the recipient's details on the package you are sending. Your confirmed booking will show up under order list alongside a locker number as well as a deposit code, and I usually write both of these on all my packages as well. Now you can go to the locker that you selected when you placed your order. When you get to the locker, select drop off and enter your deposit code. Then one of the locker doors will open and you'll be able to deposit your package. And it's similar when you go to collect a package from a locker. You'll be provided with a code. Once you get there, you'll select pick up. You'll enter your deposit code. The locker door will open and you'll be able to collect your package. I package all my orders in Courier Guy / PUDO satchels, which I get from my nearest Courier Guy kiosk. But if you plan to send a lot of packages with PUDO, you can email support@pudo.co.za and ask them to hook you up with complimentary flyer bags. I also suggest that you download the app on your phone. You can also book PUDO shipments on the app, similar to the website, but on the app, when you go into each shipment, you'll be able to get a tracking link, which I think is a pretty neat feature, as I always send this tracking link to my customers so they can also track their parcel as it's making its way to them. If there's anything unclear or you have some more questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and follow for more content like this.